$550, 2,000, 5,000. Guys, use my personal promo code CASH50 and get additional 50% to your initial deposits of at least $150. Just imagine you can invest $1,000 and get $1,500 above your deposit. Do this right now and let's fuck this market. Welcome back, guys, to my cool YouTube channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Michael and I'm a professional trader in the field of forex and binary options. So today, as always, my dear friends, I would like to tell you how to make millions on this market, and if you want to know how to do this, let's watch this video. So today, as always, my dear friends, I'm going to use several indicators. Now I'm going to set them. The first one will be Keltner channel. Now I'm setting it. Fine, so the next one will be zigzag. I have already set it. Now let's choose the final one. It will be the marker. Okay, so we are setting it right now. We have opened buy position here because, as you can see, price has touched the bottom line of the Keltner channel, and from that zone we will highly likely receive the pullback reaction at least towards the middle line of the Keltner channel. Okay, so the first trade is done. Now let's see the reaction of the markets. So we can clearly see this good reaction from the support line zone, which is the bottom line of the Keltner channel. Price is showing us a very good pullback reaction, really nice growth. We have touched the middle line of the channel as I predicted. Now I think we will close with profit, and we did it. So let's focus on the next trade for today. Okay, my friends, so here it is. We're changing our investment to $77. And yep, what can we find? We have open sell position here because price has touched the middle line of the Keltner channel, and after this we are receiving the pullback reaction from it. Everything is going quite fine. We are observing the bearish consumption of the previous bullish candle. Together with this, we're striving towards the bottom line of the Keltner channel, a very good impulse fall, a very good impulse bearish candle. So everything is very good, everything is fine. We are in profit. We shouldn't worry about this trade at all because everything is going according to my plan. Just look at this big impulse movement. Price will now hit the bottom line of the Keltner channel. What a nice drop, what a nice movement, perfectly done. Amazing, my friends. Amazing. Okay, one more profitable trade. We have around $148 on the account. Okay, so let's change our investment to $148, and we have opened our buy position because, as you can see, we're standing on the strong support line zone, which is also the bottom line of the Keltner channel. From that point, we're highly likely to receive pullback reaction, at least towards the middle line of the Keltner channel, or even higher towards the upper edge of it. So we have opened the buy position. Now let's relax and wait until we get our profit from this trade. Whoa, really good, my friend. Just look at this big green candle. We have just made the bullish consumption of the previous bearish fall. We have consumed previous two bearish candles, and we're continue growing. Just look at this. We have just made new local high, and all in all, we are in profit, my friends. We are in profits. We have closed with cash. Fine, so we have around $300 in the account. Let's change our investment to $286 and open sell position because we have received a pullback reaction from the Keltner channel middle line, and now price is going to hit the bottom line of the Keltner channel, so we are dropping. Honestly, our entry point is not the best one. I was too fast. It would be better for me to wait a little bit, but all in all, we will be in profit because buyers don't have enough power to grow. So that's why we will drop anyway. And we need just to relax a little bit and wait, because price will anyway drop. And yep, okay, it was risky, but we're in profit. Everything is fine. We have around 550 bucks, 550 bucks on our account. Really. Okay, now we have opened buy position because we have touched the bottom line of the counter channel. Because of that, of course, I expect to receive the pullback reaction from that zone. I think that we will at least go towards the middle line of the counter channel, or even higher towards the upper edge of it, as always. So for now, price is trying to make the false breakout and continue dropping. I would say that sellers will stop soon. Yep, and we did it. So now we are receiving finally the pullback reaction from the bottom line. And we have made the bullish consumption of the current fall. A very nice previous candle is very nice. It's bullish hammer. Yep, that's it. Fine, so we did it. We close with profit. Everything's fine. Okay. I don't want to watch this anymore, honestly, because I'm not sure about this trade. But we closed with profit, and that's okay. Okay, so what do we have here? As you can see, price has touched the bottom line of the counter channel. We received the pullback reaction. We have broken through the counter channel middle line, and now we are continue growing towards the upper edge of the channel. So that's why we have opened buy position. It is something like buy stop on the Forex market, because we have opened buy position in the continuation of the current trend. So we have opened buy position according to the current upgoing movement, expecting the price to hit the upper edge of the counter channel. By the way, guys, while you are watching It's Me Earning Money, don't forget to check the description to this video and subscribe to my private VIP channel, in which you will get access to the same kinds of online trading sessions just like this, and all you need for that purpose is just to write me a message and tell me, Michael, I want to become VIP, and I will automatically add you to my private VIP channel. You will get access to the sessions, and not only this, but also daily signals, daily analytics, and daily educational materials that will help you to become a professional trader and earn money even from the first day in my VIP channel with help of that sessions. So do this right now, link in the description, and be with me. Well, so what do we have here? I have opened, not yet, but now I have opened buy position. As you can see, price has hit the second time the upper edge of the counter channel, and now I'm sure that we will break through it. Buyers have enough power for this. According to the zigzag indicator and according to the demarker, we have enough power and space for the current growth, and that's why we have opened buy position, expecting the continuation of the current upgoing movement. So let's focus on it and see whether I'm right. I'm sure that I am. Okay, guys, perfectly done. We have around 2,000. Let's change our investment to $1,065. We have opened buy positions, the same kind of situation. We are touching the resistance line the third time. Together with this resistance line is combined with upper edge of the counter channel, and we will highly likely break through it and continue growing, because it's the third time when we're hitting it, and buyers have enough power right now to break through it, because we received a very good short-term down going correction, which was followed by the continuation of the current growth, and price now is ready to break through the resistance line. And yep, my friends, one more profitable trade. Okay, my friends, let's open sell position here. As you can see, we have touched the upper edge of the Keltner channel. Now we're dropping and we're breaking through the middle line of the Keltner channel. Price is dropping towards the bottom line, and that's why we have open sell position. So everything is very simple. And yep, my friends, one more profitable trade. So well, guys, let's change our investment to $2,000. And here we have opened buy position, expecting the pullback reaction from the bottom line of the Keltner channel. We have touched it, and now we are going to grow towards at least the middle line of the channel. Okay, guys, it's done. 5,000 and around $800 on the account. What a nice profit we made today, my friends. Just look at this, and we spent just several minutes on this. If you want to have the same results just like this, don't forget to check description to this video and subscribe to my private TG. Don't waste your time, don't be a loser, be with me, with the best trader ever, with Michael Trader. I will help you to become the best version of yourself. Do this right now. Thank you for your attention, have a nice and profitable day. Bye bye.